Is your Canon printer suddenly offline or not connecting to Wi-Fi? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your printer, Wi-Fi router, and computer. This fixes most connection problems instantly. Now reconnect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your laptop or phone. Download the latest Canon printer driver from the official Canon website. Make sure your Canon printer is set as the default printer in Windows settings.
If your printer shows offline, disable Use Printer Offline and try printing again.
And that's it. Your Canon printer connection issue should now be fixed. CALL Help Desk for instant help. 1-844-334-2929.